What's up? Can we go in there? Can you go in there? Oh, you can't go in there. I don't think we can go in there.
What's your dog's name?
Cuddy?
Cuddy. Cuddy, you want to go inside?
Yeah, I probably can because he probably going to pee on all
What
the
is
flowers.
He's a golden doodle or golden?
Labradoodle.
Cuddy. Labradoodle. Come here, Cuddy.
Labradoodle.
Hello. Hello, buddy. Oh, my God. Cuddy wants to go inside.
I know. Look at he just,
You can't go inside, buddy.
he just wants to see everything.
How old is he? Is he
3.
a puppy? Oh, he's a puppy kind of still, right?
Got that puppy energy.
Hello. Hello, Cuddy. Hello. Oh my God. Love him.
Right, like he just
Oh my
greeting
God.
everybody coming
My dog
out.
said a lot, so I'm like, oh my God. I haven't dog said a Labradoodle in a while. You got dogs in your life?
Yeah.
Hi, Cuddy. The Cuddy. So cute. Have a good one.
Oh, you too. Have a good holiday. Thank you.